Hey out there, I got two very exciting things today to show you that came in the mail. So many of you might have seen or deducted that my camera works has been obviously done on my iPhone and through this X grip. And if any of you have got an X grip, you know how handy they are. Ram makes these fabulous clamp on any style size phone pretty much, grabs, and these things don't move. So this has been awesome, but I've been limited in what I can do for getting my camera angles around the Snowcat, and it's kind of been frustrating as I've been working on the engine bay and stuff like that. Some of you commented that you can't see what's going on. You see in the back of my hand, in the back of my head, whatever. And so I know it's not that great to look at. So I went online and I think I found the next best solution here. It is a magnetic ram mount. So you can just basically take any kind of metal stick or two, and that sucker is solid. Like, it's on there. So we're going to use that for mounting the camera. So that'll give me a whole bunch of different angles. I'll be able to mount it up on the ceiling while we're shooting engine work down here. So everybody will be able to see what's going on. So that's the first exciting thing. The next exciting thing is I got a package today. Looks like my video cut out, but what showed up was my custom aluminum fuel cell, and that's going to give me 42 gallons. That's going to slip in right behind the driver's seat in that custom cabinet we built, and then that's going to be plumbed in with a fuel filter and a fuel pump going to the EFI system to give us that fuel efficiency. Okay, so what we're working on today is the throttle cable and foot feed. We don't have the old foot feed that we had in here. We had to take out, no longer connect the way it needed to. So I was able to go off Amazon. Got good reviews on this Speedway kit. Nice fancy aluminum foot pedal. And it said the foot pedal's great. The throttle cable's junk, so we throw that out and we get ourselves a decent Lokar universal throttle cable. The only thing is it needs a little modification with that setup to go from the cable pull style. So what we've done is we've actually had to extend the bracket out just a little bit. So we welded a stem on here, drilled that so it's long enough so that the Lokar cable can actually fit in there and pull like it's supposed to. So once we do that, we had to make a slotted bracket for this to sit on. This one here was kind of a joke. I actually wanted you to take these little fancy clamp ties and put over their throttle cable and then crimp that down. Well, anytime you have a cable running inside of a housing and you crimp something down, you're just asking for trouble for it to bind there. Whereas with the Lokar, they've always had these nice ferrule nuts and to clamp things down, and you don't have any pressure on your interior cable in that. So that's why we're going that route. So we'll get this all assembled up and get it in here, and we'll come back to it. Pulled a rookie mistake here and somehow deleted the video, but got that installed easy. Bolted it right down, got the cable, a nice big sweep on it. We are going to push that down a little tighter and get that, but it runs through all the RPMs perfectly. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments below, and please subscribe. Look forward to seeing you on the next one.